You know what drives me absolutely crazy? It's not the headlines or the noise from financial news. It's the image of a 53-year-old man, a welder who has spent 30 years building things that last for everyone else, standing in front of his mirror and realizing his own retirement foundation is made of sand. You've worked with your hands your whole life, but you look at your bank account and it's effectively empty. That realization is a cold bucket of water to the face. Most people in this position do something absolutely reckless. They start throwing money at the stock market like they're feeding coins into a slot machine, hoping one lucky spin will erase 2 decades of missing contributions. They try to drive a rusty car at 100 miles per hour just to catch up, but all they do is blow the engine. If you're starting now, you're in a race against time, but the worst thing you can do is run blindly into a trap. Do you want to spend your next 10 years gambling, or do you actually want to be safe? Your biggest enemy isn't the market, it's the math you're ignoring.
Let's cut the fluff and get to the numbers. If you are starting at 53, you don't have the luxury of waiting 20 years for long-term growth to do the heavy lifting. You can't wait for compounding interest to perform a miracle when you're already in the 4th quarter. The hard truth is this: you need to stop attacking the market and start attacking your own cash flow. Most people think the secret to catching up is finding that one hot stock that'll go to the moon. They are dead wrong. At this stage, your saving rate is at least 5 times more important than your investment return. Think of it like this: your savings are the fuel in your engine. The market return is just the wind in your sails. You can't control the wind. It might blow you forward, or it might stay dead calm for an entire decade. But you can absolutely control how much fuel you put in that tank. If you increase your savings by 10%, that's a guaranteed win for your future self. If you try to chase a 10% return in the market through risky bets, you're just as likely to lose 30% in a single bad year. For a business owner, every dollar you squeeze out of your workshop and put into your retirement fund is a brick in a wall that actually protects you. But here is the real problem. Even if you save every penny perfectly, there are massive traps hidden in the fine print that could steal your progress before you even hit 60.
Wait, everyone tells you to be aggressive because you're behind, right? That is the single most dangerous piece of advice you will ever hear. When you're 53, being aggressive shouldn't mean buying cryptocurrency or gambling on penny stocks. That's not investing. That's just a prayer. And prayers don't pay the medical bills or the mortgage when you're 70. There are people out there, salesmen in very expensive suits, who will see your panic and offer you guaranteed income products like complex, high-fee annuities. These aren't life rafts, they're anchors. They lock your money away for decades and eat your potential returns through management fees that can be as high as 2%. Think that's a small number? Over 10 years, that fee can chew through a massive chunk of your final nest egg like a termite in a wooden house. You don't see the damage until the floor caves in. And don't even get me started on the trap of putting all your cash into a single property with no liquidity. If a major expense hits tomorrow and your money is tied up in land you can't sell, you're forced to take on more debt. You're running through a financial minefield, and one wrong step will wipe out 30 years of hard physical labor in a single afternoon. But what if there was a way to move with speed without actually taking those lethal risks? There is a specific sequence, a ladder that the wealthy use and most small business owners don't even know exists. Imagine you're building a house on a cliff. You wouldn't start by picking out fancy paint colors if the foundation was literally crumbling into the ocean. Yet, that's exactly what people do when they ignore this ladder. The first rung is the most boring, and it's the one most people skip. You have to stop the bleeding. If you have credit card debt charging you 20% interest, you are not investing by putting money in a mutual fund that makes 8%. You are losing 12% every single month. That debt is financial cancer. You kill it first. No exceptions. Then you need at least 1 month of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This isn't about getting rich. It's about making sure that when your welding machine breaks or an unexpected medical bill arrives, you don't have to sell your investments when the market is down. That small buffer is your psychological body armor. It's the difference between a minor inconvenience and a total financial collapse. Once the foundation is solid, we move to what I call the priority ticket. The government actually realizes that people start late, so they created a special rule for those over 50 called catch-up contributions. Think of it as a legal cheat code. For a standard IRA, you get to put in an extra $1,000 every year. For a 401k, it's an extra $7,500. It's the IRS giving you a head start because you're late to the race. This money grows without the tax man taking a cut every year, which means every dollar works twice as hard for you. You would be crazy not to take it. It's a gift specifically for people in your exact situation. But for someone like you, the owner of your own company, there is a turbocharger that almost no one talks about. It's called a solo 401k. This is your secret weapon. Most regular workers can only put a small slice of their paycheck away, but because you are both the boss and the worker, you can contribute from both sides. We're talking about the ability to shelter over $76,000 a year from taxes. If you've had a good year in the workshop, you can effectively compress 10 years of normal retirement saving into just 2 or 3 years. It is the single most powerful tool for someone starting at 53. It's like being able to weld a broken future back together in record time. It turns your business from a place where you just trade time for money into a machine that produces long-term safety. Finally, there's the guaranteed win. Everyone is in a rush to claim their Social Security the second they hit 62. They are so afraid the money will disappear that they take a permanent pay cut just to get it early. If you can keep working even a little bit, every year you delay past your full retirement age increases your check by 8%. This isn't a maybe or a hopefully. It is a guaranteed government-backed 8% pay raise for the rest of your life. You could spend a lifetime trying to find a stock that beats the market by 8% and fail, or you could just wait a year and win by default. It's the most stable investment on the planet. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great on paper, but how do you actually pick what to buy inside these accounts? If you're putting all this money away, what happens if the market crashes the day before you decide to hang up your tools? How do you actually balance the risks so you can sleep at night while still catching up? Let's bring this back to your workshop. Imagine a welder who 7 years ago stopped chasing rainbows and started building a real wall. Instead of searching for a magic stock, he maximized his solo 401k every time he landed a big contract. He didn't gamble on high-risk tech. He used a balanced 60-40 strategy, 60% in broad market funds and 40% in safer bonds. This split meant that when the market hit a rough patch, he didn't lose his shirt. He stayed steady. Fast forward 7 years, he has $180,000 in that account. Much of it is his own hard-earned contributions, but that's $180,000 that didn't exist before. It's roughly 3 years of salary sitting there waiting. He isn't rich yet, but he is no longer desperate. He's finally looking at his retirement through a clear visor, not through the smoke of a failing business. So here is your immediate checklist. First, open that high-yield savings account today and stop the bleeding of interest payments. Second, set up your solo 401k before this tax year ends. That turbocharger only works if the engine is actually running. Third, commit to the long game with your Social Security. Those 8% raises are waiting for you at the finish line. Retirement isn't about hitting the jackpot or becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about knowing with absolute certainty that when you finally set down your welding torch for the last time, you'll have enough to live with dignity and peace. You don't have to be a victim of your past mistakes. You are in control now. 53 is late, but it is far from too late. Your future self is waiting for you to make the right choice today. Don't let him down.